What a beautiful day to start the harvest. Everything is just perfect.
Oh, come on! This old tractor is acting up again! Just my luck! Whoa! That's a nasty bump! I didn't see that tree coming.
Yikes! It's an electrical party in there, and I wasn't invited.
Safety first. Time to bring out the big guns before things get hot. Cough. Cough. Well, that didn't go according to plan. Is it supposed to do that? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Or was it the other way around? Let's give it a turn.
O-O-N-O!
Hello? Professional help? Yes, my tractor is currently practicing to be a campfire. Send help!
Panda's roadside rescue here. Don't worry, little buddy. I'm on my way with the real tools.
Emergency call received. Move out, Team Panda. We have a tractor in trouble.
Oh no! My super tractor is toast! Help! Is anyone there? It's getting really hot!
Hold on, little buddy. The rescue panda is on the scene. Don't touch the hot metal. Well, there's your problem. Your radiator decided to become a BBQ grill. We need a tow. I'm small, but I'm strong. Just hook it up, and we'll get this beast to the shop.
Next stop, the workshop. You're gonna love my tools, Mr. Panda.
Precision is key. One turn here, one tightening there. And she'll purr like a kitten again.
Almost done. You see, kid? A little grease and a lot of heart makes any machine run.
It feels even better than before. Let's see what this baby can do now.
Ready for the fields. Thanks, Team Panda. Best mechanic in the world.
Coming! Hang on, big friend! Rescue mission is a go!
Ouch! That looks like a real hoof full of trouble. Dr. Monkey is in the house. Tools? Check. Bravery? Double check.
And P-U-L. This nail is tougher than a coconut shell.
Success. I knew I could do it. Now for the finishing touches.
There. No more Uchis for you today, my giant friend. A little trim here, a little polish there, and you'll be dancing in the meadow in no time.
Time for the magic wrap. Safety first, fashion second.
All fixed up. You're good as new. Next stop, the Clover Buffet. Case closed.
Oh no! Daisy is too tired to move. What should I do?
Aha! I have a brilliant, heavy-duty idea. To the garage. Adventure is calling.
Step by step, almost at the controls of this giant beast.
Nâng, cần gạt và bánh răng. Tôi là một chuyên gia về việc này.
Hang tight, Daisy! The rescue squad has arrived!
Safety first. Let's get you strapped in nice and cozy.
Up and away! Look at you fly, Daisy!
Next stop, the comfy barn. Sing along with me.
Mission accomplished. Nothing beats a cold drink after a big flight.
Breakfast time, Mrs. Cow. Eat up. We have a big day at the farm ahead of us.
Look at this. The morning sun makes everything on the farm look like it's glowing with magic. Digging, planting, and growing. Every cabbage needs a little bit of love and a lot of dirt.
Oh no! The Great Green Invasion is here! Stay away from my snacks, you pesky hoppers!
Time to bring out the secret tools. Locked away for a day just like this.
Aha! The Super Snatcher net! Now I'm ready for some serious bug catching.
Swish! Flick! Gotcha! You guys are fast, but Farmer Monkey is faster.
Wow, that's a lot of grasshoppers. You guys can have a new home far, far away from my cabbages.
Mission accomplished. The farm is safe, and now it's time to ride in style. Let's go, team! Step 1. Find the secret potion to keep those pesky bugs away.
One super spray, please, Mr. Panda. Coming right up, little farmer. Use it wisely.
I've got the goods! Those cabbages are gonna be so happy!
A little stir here, a little mix there. The ultimate veggie vitamins.
Hey, bees! Don't mind me, just giving the leaves a little spa treatment. Mist, mist, mist. Grow big and strong, my green friends. Stay hydrated. It's a sunny day and everyone needs a drink.
Heave! Ho! Now that's what I call a jumbo cabbage.
Điểm dừng tiếp theo, nhà bếp. Tối nay chúng ta sẽ có một bữa tiệc.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Clean veggies are the best veggies. Bon appetit!
Time for the secret ingredient. Extra crunch for the bunch.
Steady hands.
And
Perfect pour. Dinner is served.
This tastes like a gold medal in a bowl.
Found one. This looks like the sweetest one in the whole grove. Wow, look at the size of these. I'm gonna need a bigger basket.
1, 2, 1, 2. Ah, heavy lifting is just a morning workout for me.
Gotta stack 'em right. Tetris skills activated.
Clear the way! The Harvest Express is coming through.
Wait, did you hear that? Is the boss coming already? Hey! Wait for me! Don't leave the delivery guy behind! Oh no! My precious guavas are disappearing! Who could be the fruit thief?
Better gather the rest before they vanish too. 1 for the basket, none for the thief.
Officer Panda. Someone is raiding my orchard. Here is the evidence. Well, what's left of it?
Fascinating. The fruit has teeth marks. This is a job for the big paw of the law.
Can you catch him, officer? He's fast, he's fuzzy, and he's very hungry.
Don't you worry, little citizen. No guava thief can outrun justice. Or my lunch break.
Hold on to your fur, kid. We're going pursuit mode.
I see something. A red tractor. And a very large striped orange suspect.
Crime tastes delicious.
Wait, is that a siren I hear?
Quiet now. We've got him cornered. The Great Guava Caper ends today.
Whoops! Looks like someone got a little tangled in the harvest net.
All right, buddy, let's walk. You have the right to remain hungry.
Watch your head. We've got a VIP seat for the Guava Bandit.
I'm the captain now.
Vroom, vroom!
Time for the secret recipe. Step 1. Gather the goods. Scrub-a-dub-dub, fresh fruit in the tub. Freshly squeezed and 100% monkey approved.
Easy does it. Not a single drop wasted.
If you want the recipe, don't forget to hit that button. Hey there, little guy. Do you like guava juice too?
Come along, my little ones. It's a perfect day for a swim.
One for the basket, and maybe...
Just one for me? Uh-oh. Is that a floating log with teeth? Wait for me! My legs are only 2 inches long!
Tastes like sunshine and sweet victory.
Gotcha. No more swimming for you today, little buddy.
Run, run, run! We're making a muddy getaway!
Hold on tight, little duck. This is our new ride.
Look out, world! The strawberry farmer is on the move!
Well, I guess I'll just stick to eating lily pads today.
Hey there, little buddies. Ready for a big day on the farm?
Oh no! A big storm is coming! We need to find cover! Fast!
Don't worry, little ones. Mama's got you covered. Stay dry.
Whew! The sun is back. Time to get back to work and rebuild.
All right, let's get this engine roaring. Monkey power, activate!
To the forest. We need the best wood to fix our cozy home.
Heave-a-ho! 1, 2, and timber! This is gonna be a great beam!
Beep, beep! Special delivery of logs coming through. Clear the way!
Just a little tap here, and a big bang there. Solid as a rock.
Look at me! I'm the best builder in the world! Mission accomplished!
Rise and shine! Today is gonna be a big day on the farm.
Morning, Mrs. Duck. Are the kids ready for their swimming lesson?
The sun is out, the grass is green, and the cows are... Hey, wait a minute.
Oh no! Hold on, Daisy! The captain is coming to the rescue!
Maximum speed. I've got to get that rope. Heave! Oh. Put some muscle into it, little buddy.
Full power! Let's get this farm moving!
Victory! You're back on solid ground. Now, let's go get some snacks.
All right, team. It's a beautiful day for some big farm work. Let's get moving.
Vroom, vroom. Time to pick the biggest machine for the job.
A little bit of morning exercise before I start the engine. Ho-ho! Controls check. Power on! Let's show them what this yellow giant can do.
I love my job. Digging is just like dancing with a giant robot.
Splash! Don't worry, ladies. I'm just clearing the path for your afternoon bath.
Focus, steady. Precision is the key to a happy farm.
Oh dear. Looks like you're in a bit of a sticky situation, Miss Daisy. Hold on. 1, 2, and UP! There you go, you're safe now.
Another successful rescue mission. Home sweet home for a snack.
Time for a spa day, Bessie. Let's get that mud off.
Looking good. Just a little more polish and you'll shine like a star.
Fresh air and green grass coming right up. Follow me. Don't worry, big friend. This bandage will have you jumping in no time.
1, 2, squeeze. We're gonna have the freshest breakfast ever.
Easy does it.
Steady hands and perfect pour.
Chà. Nhìn những quả dứa lấp lánh trong nắng mai kiều. Is that for me? A super duper shiny red tractor. It's beautiful.
Beep, beep. Monkey farmer coming through. Everyone hop on the fun train.